I'm pretty happy. Like, that's a wrap. We didn't even break anything. I don't think we had any mess ups today. Wait, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Maybe, yeah, we should do that. Yeah, I mean, this is my personal BlackBerry though. Like, this is legit the one that I use all the time. You know, I even have a ring on the back. Like, this is my thing, so I don't ever drop it. But, I mean, it does seem like a pretty durable phone. This is a really high ceiling in here too. We could probably, I don't know, maybe let's just see. Uh-oh. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. And we're still recording. And we're good. Woo! Visual damage, none. Battery cover, intact. Possibly a tiny scuff on the bottom right of the keyboard, just a tiny one. But durable. KEY2, baby. Kevin out.
CrackBerry.com